Hi students, welcome back to my channel Influence Mathematics. Here today we are with exercise 2.2. We will learn out the sums from this exercise. Question number 1 says find the product 3 by 5 into 6. Now here cancellation we will do numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Okay, we will do the cancellation with the same number. So here cancellation not possible, as you can see. So we will multiply numerator and denominator. So numerator 3 6 18 and denominator it is 5. So that's all for this sum. Number 2, you see here we can do cancellation. Say 2 16 32, 2 9 18. With the number with which we are going to divide, cancel the denominator. With the same number I should be able to divide in the numerator also. Then only this cancellation is possible. So 2 16 32, 2 9 18. Anything more, 16 can be divided by 2, 16 can be divided by 4, but this 9 cannot be divided by 2, 15 also cannot be divided by 2. So this cancellation stops here. So what is our answer remaining? 15 into 9, numerator will multiply. 9 5 ja 45, can and 4, 9 1 ja 9 plus 4 13 by 16. That's all. Okay. Number 3, you see 5 3 by 6. This is a mixed number. So we will convert it first of all. 6 5 ja 30 plus 3 33 by 6 into 11 2 ja 22 plus 2 24 by 11. 11 1 ja 11, 11 3 ja 33. Both we have cancelled by 11. 11 1 ja, 11 3 ja. Like that 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja 24. So our cancellation is done. Numerator 3 4 ja 12 and denominator 1 1 ja 1. So if you don't write also 1 in the denominator, nothing. So 12 is our answer. I hope it is clear. Let's see the next question. So here in question number 2, it is said here 3 by 7 of 14. 3 by 7 of means into 14. Now same process, cancellation. 7 1 ja, 7 2 ja, 3 2 ja 6. This is our answer. Okay. Here number 2, one more let us do. 3 by 4 of means into. This is the mixed number, we have to convert it. 3 4 ja 12 plus 2 14 by 3. 3 1 ja 3 1 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14. So 1 7 ja 7, 2 1 ja 2. So this is our answer for this number 2. Okay, you like this you are going to solve out question number 2. Now let's see question number 3. Which is greater? Which one is greater? Number 1 is given like that. We will do this much of the sum. We will do this part of the sum. Then we will decide which is greater. First we will do both this portion. 1 by 2 of means into 6 by 7. 1 by 2 of 6 by 7, or this is 2 by 3 of means into 3 by 7. Now we will see if any cancellation is possible between these two fractions. Since multiply is there between two fractions, so we will do cancellation. Between these two fractions, multiply is there, so we can do cancellation. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6. Here 3 3 cancel. Here 1 3 ja 3, 1 7 ja 7, or 2 by 7. After getting this, now we will take LCM. 7 7, LCM is 7. 7 1 ja 1 3 ja 3, or 7 1 ja 1 2 ja 2. Which is greater, 3 or 2? 3 is greater. That means 3 is standing for this 1 by 2 of 6 by 7. So this 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater. I hope it is clear. Do the next by yourself. Let's see the next question. So question number 4, number 1, simplify. See, these two fractions in the middle, multiply is there, so we can do cancellation. These two fractions in the middle, multiply is there, so we can do cancellation. But here plus sign is there, so the answer of this one and the answer of this one, which one will get, whatever will get, that two in the middle sign will be plus. So we cannot do cancellation there. There we have to take LCM. If plus or minus in between two fraction, then we have to do LCM. If plus and minus between two fraction, then we have to do LCM. And if it is multiply between two fraction, then we can do cancellation. Okay, so here 5 by 7 into 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 5 by 3 plus 7 1 is 7 plus 5 12 by 7 into 1 by 3. So here cancellation not possible, here possible. 3 1 ja 3 4 ja, so 5 5 ja 25 by 7 3 ja 21 plus 4 1 ja 4 by 7 1 ja 7. Now we will do LCM. We will take LCM between these two fractions. Plus is there, so we will take LCM. 21 and 7 LCM is 21. 21 1 ja 1, 25 ja 25. 7 3 ja 3 4 ja. See ja, with the ja we will multiply the numerator. 7 3 ja 3 4 ja 12. Done. So 25 plus 12 37 by 21. That's all. Okay. So like that you are going to solve the remaining of question number 4. Let me do question number 5. Simplify. Again here this one is also simplify. I am doing for number 5. See, first of all let us convert this. 9 to the 18 plus 1 19 by 9 into is there into 5 by 38 into 5 to the 10 plus 1 11 by 5. See, between these two fraction also multiply, between these two fraction also multiply. So as a whole we can do the cancellation, no problem. Okay, so 19 1 ja 19, 19 2 ja 38, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. That's it. No more cancellation possible. 1 1 ja 1 into 11 11 by 9 2 ja 18, 1 ja 18, 11 by 18 is our answer for this question number 5. Do the remaining by yourself. So this was all about exercise 2.2. In exercise 2.3, here let's see question number 1 what it says. A teacher takes 4 periods in a day. In one day teacher takes 4 periods. Okay, duration of each period is 5 by 12 hours. One period, how much time? 5 by 12 hours. What is the duration of 4 periods? What is the duration of 4 periods? Here our question is, what is the duration of 4 periods? Okay, so one period duration 5 by 12 hours. One period duration 5 by 12 hours. Done. How many periods? 4 periods. So when it is 1 it is given for anything. 1 liter of milk, this much of money. 4 liters of milk, how much of money? One book cost this much. 4 book cost how much? Whenever 1 will be given and many will be asked, okay, that time you have to multiply. So 1 period duration 5 by 12 hours. 4 period duration is equal to 5 by 12 into 4. 5 by 12 is 1 period time. 4 periods, so into 4 hours. Okay, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 5 by 3 hours. I hope it is clear. Let's see the next question. Cost of 1 liter milk is rupees 6 2 by 5. As I was telling, 1 liter milk, cost of 1 liter milk, it is rupees 6 2 by 5. That means how much it is? We have to convert it. 5 6 is 30 plus 2, 32 by 5. Done. So cost of 1 liter milk is 32 by 5. They are asking to find the cost of 5 liters of milk. So cost of 5 liters milk is equal to 1 liter is rupees 32 by 5. So 5 liter into 5. 5 cancel. So we are getting here rupees 32. Clear? Now let's see question number 5. In 1 hour, a car covers 2 by 3 kilometer. In 1 hour, car covers 2 by 3 kilometer. How much distance will it cover in 1 by 5 hours? 1 hour, this much distance covering. 2 by 3 kilometer distance covering. So in 1 by 5 hours, how much distance will it cover? That is our question. Okay. So solution: 1 hour car covers 2 by 3 kilometer. So in 1 by 5 hour, that means 5 to the 10 plus 1, 11 by 5 hour, car covers, will multiply 2 by 3 kilometer is there, 2 by 3 into 11 by 5 kilometer. Cancellation, if it is possible, we will do. If cancellation is not possible, then we'll multiply. 2 11 ja 22, 3 5 ja 15 kilometers. So 22 by 15 kilometer can be covered in 1/5 hour. Okay. So let's see the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9. See, for a particular show, each ticket cost rupees 26 1/2. One ticket cost rupees 26 1/2. 206 tickets are sold for the show. How much amount has been collected? So one ticket costs rupees 26 1/2. 26 1/2. So 2 into 26, 52 plus 153/2. That is the amount of one ticket. So how many tickets sold? 206 tickets sold. So 206 tickets cost. One ticket is rupees 53/2. 206 tickets into 206. So 2 1 ja 2, 103 rupees. We will multiply 53 into 103. 103 into 53 we will multiply, and we will see how much we get. 3 3 ja 9, 3 0 0, 3 1 ja 3, 5 3 ja 15, Kenyan 1, 5 0 0 1, 5 1 ja 5, 9 5 4 5, 5 4 5 9, 5,459 is the amount collected after selling 206 tickets. Okay, so in this way you are going to solve out all the sums of this exercise 2.3. That's all for today. We'll catch up with the next exercise in the next video. Till then, take care, be at home, stay safe. Nirmal Roy signing off.